I finally got my shoes. I've ordered this on Nike online. I just received it yesterday, and let's find out. I'm gonna show you what it is. This is the box. And this is the shoe. It's Jordan shoes. In black and white. So I'm so happy I finally got this. And the size of this is, in the Euro it's 37.5, and in US size it's 6.5. So I'm gonna try it so that you can see how it fits on my feet. So see ya! So this is how it fits on me. Look at that. It's perfectly, this is the perfect size for me. This is how it looks on the side, on the front, and at the back. So, wow. I love it. So nice. I love it.
In the dark